Yeah.
Rain.
We got a little rain. But as you can tell, being from Washington, it doesn't scare me away. It said we were in a flood watch here. And we got a little bit of a lake going on out here. I mean, we're still up a hill too. If you see, we got a hill here, and the river's not way down there, but look at, oh. Look at this. There hasn't been any water in there at all since we got here, so I'm just letting you guys know that that's not a flowing creek. That's from here. And 5 minutes ago, this wasn't here. I mean, it's got up a little bit here and there and then went back down, but it was not roaring through all this. Look at that. And this is down here at Circle M RV Resort in Pennsylvania, over by Hershey. So middle of the state, south area. And it is just wet. That guy's wet. We're gonna take a drive down and check out the rest, huh? Let's go see how this river was. That should be where it's coming down from us. Or right here, maybe.
You got your nuts in the milk.
Oh yeah, look at that. See? That's where it's coming down from us, I bet.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, because we're right up in that hole. That's a pretty good amount. How's that?
That's the same as that.
Definitely wet out here, guys. Definitely getting wet out here. And even wetter. And it's getting even wetter. Is that even a word? Wetter?
Wetter.
Wetter spaghetti. I like spaghetti in the rain. Shower pie. I need shower pie. I'm not gonna be able to see out the windows here.
Fogging it up with my lust.
I am wet and dripping here. Everybody along the river's packing up. Better get the hell on out of here. The river coming. Oh, this guy tied floaties to his RV out front. He said, "I'm fine. I will float down this river."
That river's got 10 feet.
Yeah. So just tie the floaties to the RV. We'll be just fine.
I blame Thousand Trails.
Oh, this is that other. This is that other YouTube, right?
Nomadic Bull or...
Let's see who this is.
I can't. Nomadic Team.
Nomadic Team on YouTube. Oh, that's a fucking river coming down there. That's flowing good.
What's my amp flow?
I'll show you guys this one. Yeah, that one's pretty good, huh? That one's pretty good. Look at the dump station. Ew, it's poop water. It must be poop water down there. Ooh, look at it. It's eating away that road good right there. It is very pretty. Yep. Like that big dead one right there?
Oh God, there's the river right there. Yep, that's a big muddy river.
Hey, a big muddy river. That one
It's a
has-
creek, isn't it? No, this is a
No,
river.
this is a river.
The other campground.
There's stairs going down to that spot. Does it go up? Back up the thing? Back up and out right over here? Oh, rain, 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 huh? It's getting nasty out here.
Why'd the water cross the road?
To get to the river?
Mm-hmm.